Welcome. My name is Mike Logan, and in this video, Rationale, I plan to define the design problem, briefly explain each of the 7 design decisions made in the development of the solution, and finally explain why the created brand vision board effectively solves the design problem. Week 4's thesis application is to create a brand vision board for Greener Day Toys, an independently owned online store specializing in creating and distributing affordable wooden toys and books for children. The overarching design problem demonstrates connectedness, aiming to connect like-minded, eco-conscious individuals through eco-friendly toys and books. Now let's dig deeper into the 7 design problems for the vision board. First, the brand name. The brand name holds its font in veneer regular, green in color. The font as a visual cue demonstrates that of being worn by nature, allowing light to pass through it. The brand name, positioned top right corner and in bold, sets the tone for visual typographic hierarchy. All subheads and callouts use the font Graffoletta Script Medium to present a level of classiness but also provide familiarity with its cursive gestures. The body copy is in FF Nouveau, complementing the subheads and callouts. The onlyness statement is positioned between the rainforest texture, the image of the child, and the toys, demonstrating that the onlyness statement connects all 3 forms. The design decision to illustrate the color palette using dots connects the eye to the wooden ball. It is complemented by the curvy graphic resembling a vine and provides a natural feel. The numbers for the color models RGB and CMYK use the last number of each RGB model and turns it into the perspective color to connect the model number with the color palette dots. The imagery consisted of product placement and a child playing with wooden toys. This presents a small sample size of the wooden toys offered by the brand and the placement of the imagery center stage, offering clarity and homogeneity. All graphics use colors from the palette with either beveling, bossing, or shadows. Again, each graphic chosen needed to reflect nature and life and complement the theme of rainforest and nature. Finally, the theme position over the rainforest image allows the viewer to understand the imagery behind it further. The tagline "Earth and Us" attached to the graphic below the heading shows the brand's fundamental mission of protecting the environment through consumers. The key phrases presented, saying "preserve our rainforest" and "connectedness through sustainability," positioned next to the directive word of @social.greenerday, shows the viewer where they can go to see how to connect more. Krauss, 2014, expresses that when working on a layout, continually sit back from the work and evaluate its conveyance of visual hierarchy. Ask if certain elements need to be larger, bolder, or more colorful. These ethics were applied and implemented throughout the entire vision board. The brand needed a visual identity that connected the eco-minded consumer parent to the brand. Before constructing the design, the designer must identify the onlyness statement and theme. Since the benefit in the onlyness statement is propelled towards environmental connectedness through eco-friendly tours, our theme must also complement the need for sustainment. The theme Rainforest connects the brand to the environment, providing a channel for social interaction. Furthermore, the neighborly, eco-progressive, and cognizant brand personality created has set the stage for potential taglines, for example, "Earth and Us." Adding "us" to the tagline solves our last design problem by avoiding disenfranchisement and expanding the reach of our target audience. The word "us" removes unneeded and potential insulting demographics like age, income, and education. With practice and intent, I aim to achieve more sound design practices and assume the level that Connie Malamet wrote about in Visual Design Solutions, stating that design principles will eventually become tactic knowledge and run like a thread through my work. Thank you.